So many of you asked what tripods I use, especially when I travel, and I have a lot. So let's talk about it. The first one, okay, this is for my phone. So I like this one because it's so compact. Like, look how thin it is and how small it is. So if you have like a small bag, this fits in there, and you open it up like this, and you take this out and you can put your phone in here, and it's adjustable. And when you extend this tripod out all the way, so I'm 5'4", and it extends out to about 5'4", so it's pretty tall. And I like this a lot for traveling, mostly because it's so compact. And it even comes with this like remote, like this remote clicker. So you take it out, and it's great for solo travelers because you can just click this and sync it to your phone via Bluetooth and take pictures by yourself. Yes, that's my first one. This is my second tripod. This is for my camera, so it's a lot nicer. It's heavier duty, but it's not too heavy. I can also put this like in a backpack, so you'll often see me in my videos with like my blue backpack, and this is probably in there. My camera tripod. This is how compact it is, like, and when you extend out the legs like this, and each of these, like, what do you call them, notches, you can release the leg and make it taller. And so it's really nice because it's really easy to adjust the height. And what I like about this one is, if you see this little hook here, this is what I use like to hang my bag or to hang like my purse or something, like when I'm out, so I don't have to leave it on the ground. Like, I can just hang it on this little hook. And if you take this off, so this is where the camera would go, and you would like secure it like onto the plate here. And as you can see, this like rotates all over, so you can set it like whatever angle you want, and just lock it into place like this. So I really like this a lot. This is really good for my camera. And unlike this one, like this phone one, this has gotten blown and like knocked over by the wind many times before. So I've dropped my phone many times before because of that, because it's not very, like, you can see, like, it's not very heavy. It's not like super stable, so it can get knocked over pretty easily. This one, like I said, this is like heavier duty, so you can like adjust the legs like this. Like, there's a lot of adjustment points, so you can make it very sturdy and very stable, and your camera is not gonna go, like, you could be rough with it and it's not gonna topple over, which I like. And I bought an extra, I don't know what you call this, but I bought an extra thing to attach to this so that I could also put my phone on this tripod. Without it, like, you can only put your camera, like, it's not meant to have the phone be on there. So I think this is like an extra, I think I bought it for like an extra 10 bucks. So if I switch out the plates, it would sit right here, and then I can put my phone and also record with my phone. Okay, this is my last one. This is really good for like unboxing videos and stuff, because like this heavy duty camera one that I have, this one also has a lot of adjustment points, which is really nice. So you can see, like, if you release this right here, see how you can like adjust the legs, so you can, I don't know how to describe it. I can't think of words right now. Yeah, but I like that you can adjust the legs like that. You can adjust the height just like all the other tripods that I have. But what I like about this one specifically is, do you see this attachment right here? It comes with it. If you release it, it has this like rotating arm, so it's really good for unboxing videos, because you can just like position it however you want, like right above like a box or something that you're unboxing, or like if you're doing cooking videos, you just put it over whatever you're cooking. Rotate this, like, you can also rotate like the angle. You can adjust this rod like to put it closer or farther out, and it's very stable. Like, once you lock it in, it's not going to move, which is great, because I've had other tripods before that I bought solely for like unboxing and solely for using in the house, and it didn't really like have this arm, and it also wasn't stable. But this Like, this is really good. So those are my 3 tripods, and these are the ones, these 2 are the ones I normally travel with. This is the one I keep at home. Oh, actually, I do have one more tripod, and it's on my phone right now. So if you look at this, this is my phone tripod. This is actually a Shein dupe, so it's like $9 on Shein, and it's MagSafe, so it attaches to your phone, and it's great for like putting on like a table, like if you're going out and like eating or something. And it's like very compact, like that's it, and like fits in your purse, fits in your pocket, really super useful. So these are my 4 tripods. I love them and I swear by them. And let me know if you have any questions. If you end up getting them, I hope you like them too.